Hi. Uh, Today's topic is UIDatePicker only. Okay. By using DatePicker, in some cases we can see right. Text field will be there when user taps on the text field. One DatePicker will be pops up. Okay, to select the date. Okay. How we can do like that? I will show in this session. Okay. Yesterday I already shown what is DatePicker and how can we uh, use it. Okay. So this is the project. Yesterday what I shown in the session. So in the same project, I'm going to explain the same thing. Okay. I'm going to explain this thing. How can we pop up a date picker on top of text field? Okay. So for that, I'm not going to take this V controller. Okay. So I will take new controller because it's containing already a label and the one text field will come up here. Programmatically we added here and one more date picker is here. Okay. So I'm taking my V controller and I'm making it as a initial V controller. This is initial V controller. And now I'm going to create a class for it. Okay, class has been created. And let me link this class to this V controller. This one, this is the second V controller. Okay, got it. So I'm taking one text field now. White text field. This is a text field. And keeping placeholder select date. Okay. So what we have to do when user taps on it, we should display a date picker to select the date. It may be date of birth or some time selection or anything. That is depends on the situation like functionality. Okay. So I am taking outlet for this text field. Text field in shortcut I just taken txt field. Okay. And now here we know right how we can uh, create your date picker programmatically. So let date picker equals to UI date picker, right? Then for this text field, we can provide input view. Okay. By default, input view will be keyboard, and now I'm changing it as date picker. Okay. This date picker becomes the input view for the text field. When we run this application, what will happen? Text field will be visible. When we tap on the text field, this date picker will be shown. Okay. Text field came up here. It's taking time. Yeah. See, we haven't given any picker styles. Okay. By default, it's coming as compact. Okay. Picker is coming, but no result because we haven't added any action for this date picker. Let me add some action. Date picker dot add target. In yesterday's session, I already explained right how we can add the action for the date picker. How we can add? We need to take one Objective-C method. We can name it any. We can give any name for this function. Okay, but inside this we need to pass sender date picker. Okay, we need to get it, and here we will get this date picker in the center. Okay, and if you want to show the date in text field, we already know that, right? From date to string, how we can convert in the customized format. So I'm not going to do that again. Okay, I will just uh, show that date as a text field directly by using interpolation, string interpolation implement and the dot date. That's it. What will happen if I select the date? It will update here. Okay, 6 February and 16 9. The time is 9:39. If we do minus 5:30, then it will be 16 9. Okay, set will increase. That's but this date picker is not dismissal because we haven't added the functionality to dismiss the keyword or text field input view. So let me add that functionality by using touches begin method. Touches begin. Self view dot and everything. It will dismiss. It will end the editing for this way. Okay, hold it. So it will take and it will update. When we scroll the date picker and in between, when we change the date picker, it will update automatically on the text field. In case, okay, in some cases, if you don't want to update whenever he swipes on it or something, okay, whenever he selects, only if you want to update when he taps on some done button or something, okay. To want to add some done button, when user taps on the done button, then only it should reflect on the text field, or it should be assigned to the some property to utilize or to send any parameters of any API, okay, to send to the backend. Before going to that, let's see how we can change the style. Here we can see this is compact mode. Let me change the date picker mode here. Date picker dot style preferred picker style. Automatic compact builds. And picking. And I said, right, if we want to uh, dismiss the date picker or if we want to select the date when he clicks on some button action, then only we need to take. And in that case, we can add some input accessory view for the text field. Okay, we will get one bar here. Here we can place 3 buttons or something. Okay, let me add some. So firstly, we'll show here I updated the preferred date picker style, right? And in the same way, we can update the picker mode as well. We got reach now. It will update continuously while scrolling. Okay. If you want to update only when the user clicks on the done button, okay, then we can delete. Because sometimes what will happen, user firstly selects some date, okay, he just wanted to change the date and suddenly he don't want to change the date. Then what he need to do? He need to scroll everything again to the back time, okay, to the previous time. So rather than that, we can give 2 buttons, cancel and done button. Okay, if user clicks on done, then only it will update here. And if user clicks on cancel, it won't update, it just dismisses the date picker. Okay, means it will end the editing for this text field. Let me add that one. So for that input view, we can keep one toolbar. Okay, toolbar. That is an object. Okay, UI toolbar. This is a toolbar. Okay, and for this, we can give items for it. Toolbar dot set items. Okay. Here what is expecting? It is expecting array of UI bar button items and animation. Animation you can give if required, otherwise you can pass as well. That's animation. For this we need to pass array of UI bar button items. Okay. Usually we can keep 3 bar button items in a toolbar. Okay. Alright. Cancel action. Firstly, I'm going to keep cancel in the left side. Okay, this array will come like this, left to right. 1, 2, 3. We were expecting cancel, and here you buy bar button item. Okay, with the title. If we want to keep any image, we can do it. Okay, I'm taking just a title and style. Okay, 2 styles are there, done and plain. I'm taking as done, so plain and self target. And here also it is expecting a selector. Okay, means action we need to pass. For that action, I'm creating one more object function. That object is obj and action. In that cancel action, what I have to do? End the editing and just copy and paste in this one self.result and editing. Okay. Passing that here. Selector, cancel action. Okay. Firstly, let me pass this cancel action in the array. Okay, and running. So what happened? Oh, sorry. I forgot to add to the text field. Text field dot input accessory B. That is toolbar. This is main important. If you don't give that toolbar to the input accessory view as text field, what is the use of creating toolbar? I think that. No, also it's not coming because I haven't given the size. Okay. We need to give size for it for the toolbar. Toolbar dot size to fit. Okay, what will happen? It will fit to the input accessory view. Okay, this text will input accessory view. Okay, this is toolbar. I added only one button that is appearing on the left side. If we tap on it, the functionality will go. In cancel action, what I did in cancel action, and just ending the editing. Okay. In the same way, we can create one more button. Right. Done action. New UI bar button item. Here statement. Image. I don't want to keep it also. What you can try. Done. Target self. Busy. Action. Done action. Done action. Otherwise, in done action also, we can take this one, DatePicker. Okay, no issue. I will take done action here. As selected. Done action. Okay. This done action, what I want to do, same thing. If I want to show that selected date on the text field, I can show it. But here what happened, we don't get selected because we haven't added in this arguments in this function arguments and we are not passing here. So what we can do, we are already having this reference, DatePicker reference. So we can add it here. Okay. You can get DatePicker date and it will update here. And we want to stop this updating on text field, right? When user is changing the dates. So we can comment.
and we can turn on the add target as well for this date picker. If you want, anything is fine. If it called as well, nothing is happening. So so again, it's it can section and can action does not. Okay. Okay. If Xcode, it won't update on the text field because I commented that code. And when we tap on the done button, then only it will update. Okay. It is updated. And this date picker is not dismissing. Okay. Because I haven't added the function to the editing. So in done button, usually what we will do in all the applications, most of the applications, they will take the update from the date picker and they will dismiss the date picker. So for that purpose, I added ended control. And what will happen in so many applications, cancel button will come, and then two buttons will come, one left and one right. Okay, not at this side. So for that purpose, we can add one more button, not button in this case. Bar button right now. Space. If we don't want to do any functionality, okay. Actually, if you look at that is a flexible space or fixed space. Yeah, flexible space. Earlier, it has taken as fixed space. So we can cancel on it, or we can select particular date, and then only we can click on done. Then it will update on the text. In this way, we can present date picker on the text field tab. Okay, we can keep a date picker as an input view of text field. Like this, we can add toolbar to the text field. Okay. If you have any doubts on this topic, you can add comment in the video. Okay, I will check and I will answer those doubts. Okay. Okay. Thank you.